Alright, what are we doing? I'm so excited. Man.
What I'm doing, I'm gonna do the rugged pretty boy. Right?
You just look in the camera and say that.
Rugged pretty boy. Handsome. Look at him. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna bring everything coming forward, right, through here. But you see how you've got like this little cowlick here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna work with this, so it's gonna kind of like all kind of come up, like not quiff, but it's gonna be like a real messy sort of style of a quiff. And then we're gonna work the beard in, which is the rugged part. The hair's the pretty boy part. The beard.
So you think you'll keep this length?
What, in the beards?
Yeah, or trim it down a bit.
Trim it down a bit.
Nice.
But what I'm gonna do, I don't know, my mate Ricky, I don't know if you
Ricky
know.
Hall?
Yeah. When I do Ricky's beard, I do like a 0 here, and then I just blend everything into that.
Oh, nice,
keeping the chin area a bit longer. But the problem with your beard is, you've got a lot of length underneath here, which we're gonna get rid of.
Cool.
Alright, cool.
I'm
I
excited.
just want to pick the name you dropped earlier up for.
Oh, shit, thanks.
And will you be adding texture to this style?
I will, because like I said, you got fine hair, but you got a lot of it.
Yeah.
Alright, so you still need a bit of texture in it, otherwise it's going to look really heavy. Dry this naturally, no product on it first.
Yeah.
Just so it can allows me to texturise it. So I'm just going with your hair pattern. I'm not going against what the hair wants to do. When you do that, that's when it kind of just goes all hickory-pickory. And that's a nice thing, you can ruffle this haircut up.
Yeah, it's not got to be perfect, which is
exactly. That's what I said to you the other day, like, not the other day, but when you came in. He was like, no, sometimes I just kind of give up and I just let my hair do its thing. This haircut is perfect for that, like, this is like the do what you want haircut.
Yeah.
But when you do it, it looks like you tried, do you know what I mean?
I think it brings out my eyes.
I think it does, I was about to say that.
Yeah.
This area here I know is a number 1. But I have to take it a bit short up in here because it's darker. chin up for me, dudes. Down a little bit.
Bit of proper priest form stuff.
Yeah. Good game, good game. Just pop it in your mug. Always start at the back with product. You don't want that something about Mary look. So pop it right through to the front. Well, start at the back and then work through to the front, shall I say. Right, you happy with that, dude?
Mate, I'm loving it. Feels so nice.
Big change, man.
Yeah, very big change. Very big change.
So what have you done, Carl? What have we done to it?
So we've just taken the top a lot shorter, we've cut it in a diagonal forward direction, so that means we're encouraging all the hair to come forward. I've worked with his Cowlick, so the way I've blow dried it, I've worked it into here and then worked it upwards in here, so it's more like a sort of wave to it, and just texturised it a lot. Like, I've worked with the hair and I've worked against the hair. My advice is always work with the hair, you know, let the hair do what it wants to do. But in this aspect, I've just texturised against it just so it gives a...
I feel like this is the first
texture.
cut I've had where I can really see the textured.
Yeah, the
in
texture,
it.
yeah.
I can really see it. Love it, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.